Mr. President, Honorable Chief Guest, and respectable audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech, which I am going to deliver, is Kashmir Day. No one can imagine the size and magnitude of the problem in Kashmir. Yes, my lord, no one can imagine the trouble of people in Kashmir because we are just spectators. Spectators we are for having no courage because we can do nothing. Spectators we are for what is being done in Kashmir because we are just spectators and still there is no one. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Let me give a few words to the heart-rending silence of Kashmir, unclaimed bodies abandoned mercilessly in the bleak alley of this dark city. Oh Allah, could anybody come forward and help me out? Sister must have looked around. Mother must have waited at door. Old father must have gazed around. Our Kashmir is burned to death brutally. Mr. President, let's recall today the message of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who, while addressing the Kashmiris, laid the course of action for all of us. While addressing the Jammu and Kashmir Muslim Conference on 26 October 1946, he remarkably said, "My message and earnest appeal to the Muslim leadership in Kashmir is, organize your people educationally, socially, economically, and politically, and set your hand on a constructive nation building program." Kashmir, 70 years ago, on this India landed its army at Srinagar airport to occupy Kashmir. Since that day, Kashmir Valley calls with screams of mother, sobs of sister, and heart-rending silence of widows. Mr. President, Kashmir is famous for beautiful and natural scenery throughout the world. Perfection beyond this world makes the Kashmir a paradise. But it is not a paradise anymore, but a hell that lives in the souls of its inhabitants. As we read the books of the big politicians of the world, they all have clearly written, as India doesn't have to think, that Kashmir is their property, as all of the Kashmiris, from children to young, and from youngs to old, they have a single slogan on their lips: Kashmir banega Pakistan. Mr. President, with immense hope that one day the sun of independence will dawn upon the beautiful valley and our fellow Kashmiris will have a peaceful and prosperous life, I would like to end with this: and we oppressed beneath our feet will have this earth shivers, shake and beat, and the heads of rulers will be struck with crackling lightning and thunder roars. Indian throne will soon reduce to be ashes. Kashmir will be ours. Pakistan Zindabad. Thanks.